Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 6 Kashmiri youth today in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred 5 youth during a violent cordon and search operation in the Kulgam district. The troops also destroyed a residential house by using chemical substance through a drone in the area. The troops martyred another youth in a fake encounter in the garb of a search operation at Behrut Budal in the Rajouri district. The operation at the both places was going on till last reports came in. Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in the Rajouri district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops launched the operation in the Behrut Budal area of the district on Friday. A senior police officer said that the Indian forces launched the cordon and search operation in the area on a very specific input. Friday prayers were not allowed at the Jamia Masjid in Srinagar for the 6th consecutive week, and Mirwais Umar Farooq continued to be under house arrest at his residence in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, Anjuman Awqaf of the Jamia Masjid in a statement in Srinagar said police authorities disallowed the Anjuman from opening the gates of the mosque for the Jummah prayers. All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the people of occupied Kashmir are being subjected to the worst kind of human rights violations and state terrorism by India. According to Kashmir Media Service, APAC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar lamented that India was continuing its illegal hold on Jammu and Kashmir by the dint of over 100,000 troops. People's Democratic Party has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government is curbing freedom of the expression, and if the status quo continues, it will lead to the death of democracy. According to Kashmir Media Service, DFP said 9 journalists have been arbitrarily arrested. We may not see the birth of Indian democracy, but if the status quo doesn't change, we will be forced to watch it die. Communist Party of India Marxist has expressed serious concern over the power situation and said that the electricity woes continue unabated in the Kashmir Valley. According to Kashmir Media Service, the CPIM General Secretary Ghulam Nabi Malik in a statement in Srinagar said during summers, due to power woes, people in Jammu suffer, and in winters, people in the Kashmir Valley have to bear the brunt of the power crisis. Occupied Kashmir chapter of the Indian National Congress has said that the Modi-led fascist Indian government is showing hostility towards the Kashmiris by ignoring their basic needs. According to Kashmir Media Service, former president of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir chapter of the Indian National Congress, Ghulam Ahmad Mir, addressing a meeting of the party workers in Islamabad district, expressed concern over the increasing unemployment.